So in this video, you'll learn how to enable the always on display on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So the always on display just allows you to see easy information such as the time, the weather, and small things, all without having you to access the lock screen or even unlock your phone. So if you want to enable the always on display, start by opening the settings app. And then in settings, you want to scroll and select lock screen and AOD. From here, you should see always on display, and so just tap on it, and then tap on the toggle at the top to turn it on. Once your always on display is enabled, you can then notice that whenever your phone is switched off, you should see the always on display appearing based on how you've set it to be enabled. So for example, you come to this option when to show and select it, and because it's currently set to always, it means that whenever my phone is switched off, the always on display is always available for me to glance at. But if you want to change it so that it's tap to show in order for you to save battery life, then when the phone is turned off, just tap on the screen once and the always on display will appear. You can also choose to set it to auto or as scheduled, or for any new notifications, the always on display appears. So it's completely up to you to decide which option you prefer to use when it comes to your always on display. Bear in mind that some options will drain the battery life of your phone, such as always, so just choose the one that will ensure that you prefer it more than the others. Then you also have other options such as showing the lock screen wallpaper. So you can choose to enable or disable it, completely up to you. You have the option to show the now bar, which will just give you daily updates all from the comfort of your screen. So you can choose to enable or disable it and all sorts of things. Then when you're happy with how your always on display is going to turn out, you can just close your phone and then based on your settings, wait for it to appear. And then if you're happy, you can just continue. If you want to go back to customize, just go back to your lock screen settings, select always on display, and you can go back and further customize it to your liking. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.